Chillio app has received overwhelmingly negative reviews, with users reporting fraudulent practices, misleading advertising, and difficulties in canceling subscriptions. Many customers claim that the app does not actually exist as a functional application, but instead operates as a website with basic self-help content disguised as an interactive service. Several complaints highlight unauthorized charges, lack of account management options, and a refund policy loophole that prevents users from getting their money back. Additionally, users have pointed out that the advertised features do not match reality, with the service offering little more than generic self help advice that could be found for free elsewhere. Given the number of scam accusations, it is strongly advised to avoid Chillio app and seek more reputable alternatives for habit building and mental wellness support. If you've already been charged, consider disputing the transaction with your payment provider.